Hi, my name is John, and I've been RVing for over 40 years. Harness the sun's power for your RV adventures. Solar panels are gaining popularity among RV enthusiasts as an eco friendly and dependable substitute for generators powering lights and appliances. They enable you to camp off grid in breathtaking locations, reducing your dependence on fossil fuels and minimizing noise pollution. RV solar systems capture the sun's energy, converting it into electricity to power your RV. Here's a breakdown of the key components. Solar panels, available in flexible, portable, and rigid forms. Flexible panels suit curved roofs. Panels offer versatility in shaded areas, and rigid panels are more efficient but heavier. Batteries. Most RVs have two battery systems, a starting battery for the engine, deep cycle battery bank for appliances, house batteries. Modern RVs often use lithium ion phosphate batteries for faster charging, longer lifespan, and better off grid capabilities. The charge controller regulates the flow of electricity from the solar panel to protect batteries, ensuring the charging voltage matches the battery's capacity. It converts 12-volt DC power to 120-volt AC power, enabling the use of appliances like TVs and computers. The transfer switch seamlessly transitions between shore power and the battery power when parked or driving. Some benefits: experience independence. Enjoy camping off grid without relying on generators or external power sources. Eco friendly. Reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a sustainable future with solar power. Ability. Explore remote locations without worrying about electricity access or availability. Savings. Save money on fuel and campground fees over time by using solar power instead of traditional power sources. Solar panel installation. Putting up solar panels on an RV to generate electricity. Process includes mounting panels on the roof, wiring them to a charge controller, and connecting the controller to the RV's batteries. Various types of solar panels are available for RVs, from flexible ones for curved surfaces to durable and efficient rigid panels. Popular brands include GoPower, Renogy, and SunPower. Solar panel costs vary based on size and type, ranging from around $100 to over $600. Here's a step-by-step guide for installation. First, plan your installation. Decide panel placement, wiring to the RV's batteries, and the type of panels you want to use. Install mounting brackets. Drill holes in your RV's roof to attach the brackets. Install solar panels. Connect the panels to the mounting brackets and secure them in place. Wire the panels to the charge controller. Regulate power flow to prevent overcharging and battery damage. Wire a controller to the battery. The battery charging from the solar panels. Test the system. Check battery voltage and solar panel output to ensure proper functioning. Make the switch to solar for a cleaner future and enjoy peace of mind that comes with self-reliance on the open road. If you found these tips valuable, then please hit the subscribe button and show some love with a like. And that's how you can take your camping experience to the next level.